All right, we are back again. Here we go. We've got 5 problems. Now, these are different, okay? Notice, number 1, 3, 7, 8, 9. Look at them in your book right now. Pause this video for a moment. Now we're back, okay? So we're looking 1, 3, 7, 8, and 9. What do they all have in common? I'm subtracting a negative number. How do I take away something that's already negative? That's like 2 negatives or a double negative. In grammar, in the English language, when I use a double negative, it actually makes my phrase positive, okay? The same thing happens in math, all right? So if I'm standing at 9, okay? The next thing is subtraction. So typically, I'm going to the left, right? But this is a negative 2. Oh my. Oh, that's the opposite of a regular 2. Oh no, that means these 2 negatives actually flip me positive. Okay? This is where add a line, change the sign comes from. Remember, when we are subtracting, we are adding the additive inverse. Okay? All right, so that means we are going to add a line, change the sign. Now look what we have here. 9 plus positive 2. And which direction did we say we were going to move on the number line? To the right, in the positive direction. Okay? It's going to take a little while for things like this to sink in and for you to get used to it. But things like add a line, change the sign, and add the opposite, okay? And I'm going to use, we're adding the additive inverse, okay? The opposite number, the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. I'm going to use those terms a lot, all right? Let's move to number 3. All right, number 3, we have 13 minus negative 63. Okay, again, I'm sitting at 13. I've got subtraction, so I look to the left. Oh, but then it's a negative. Oh, it's a double negative, so I can't look to the left twice. It flips me back around. So I will add my line, change my sign. Straight addition, just like normal. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 and 1 is 7. Okay? All right. Number 3. Done. Number 7. Ooh, this one is a little different. Okay? What is different about number 7? My accent went a little wobbly. Can take the girl out of Beulah, but you can't take the Beulah out of the girl. All right, this one is different because there's a negative number out front. Okay? We're not going to worry with it now because we have all this mess in the middle to deal with. So remember, when we subtract, we're going to add a line, change the sign because it's a double negative, so it flips everything around. Add a line, change the sign. Now I have a negative 18 and a positive 12. Well, it's addition, so I think back to my addition rules. 2 different signs. I subtract the absolute values. So 18 minus 12 is 6. Where's the greater absolute value? 18. So my answer becomes negative. All right? Okay, that is 7. And notice I am speeding up because I did give you a little more information at the beginning. All right, number 8. This one looks much like number 7. We have a negative out front. We are going to do it the very same way. I have subtraction. I have a double negative in the middle. That means it changes everything around. I add a line, change that sign, negative and positive. I subtract the absolute values. The big absolute value is the 28, so I keep its sign, and I get a negative 15. And again, folks, you can look at this on the number line as long as you remember to the subtraction tells me to the left, and then the negative sign also tells me to the left, but I can't go to the left twice. It flips me around. Okay? One more. Number 9. Negative 18 minus negative 40. Same process, same setup. Add a line,